Hello, friends! Welcome to our flower garden today. Are you ready to learn the names of 100 beautiful flowers? Let's go! Our first group is all about roses and their beautiful friends. Let's spell each flower name and say it together. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Tulip, T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Carnation, C-R-N-T-I-O-N, carnation. Peony, P-E-O-N-Y, peony. Daffodil, D-F-F-O-D-I-L, daffodil. Iris, I-R-I-S, iris. Hydrangea, H-Y-D-R-N-G-E-A, hydrangea. Camellia, C-A-M-E-L-L-I, camellia. Lavender, L-V-E-N-D-E-R, lavender. Gladiolus, G-L-D-I-O-L-U-S. Next up, we have some wildflowers. They're colorful and fun to learn. Daisy, D-I-S-Y, daisy. Bluebell, B-L-U-E-B-E-L-L, bluebell. Poppy, P-O-P-P-Y, poppy. Chrysanthemum, C-H-R-Y-S-A-N-T-H-E-M-U-M. Aster, S-T-E, aster. Hibiscus, H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Primrose, P-R-I-M-R-O-S-E, primrose. Snapdragon, S-N-A-P-D-R-A-G-O-N, snapdragon. Foxglove, foxglove. Sunflower, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Now, let's visit a tropical paradise. These flowers are exotic and stunning. Paradise, P-R-D-I-S-E, paradise. Plumeria, P-L-U-M-E-R-I, plumeria. Frangipani, frangipani. Heliconia, H-E-L-I-C-O-N-I, heliconia. Ginger lily, G-I-N-G-E-R-L-I-L-Y, ginger lily. Ixora, I-X-O-R-A. Anthurium, N-T-H-U-R-I-U-M, anthurium. Water lily, water lily. Orchid, O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. Here are some flowers you might find in your garden. Zinnia, Z-I-N-N-I, zinnia. Begonia, B-E-G-O-N-I, begonia. Cosmos, C-O-S-M-O-S. Petunia, P-E-T-U-N-I-A, Petunia. Lantana, L-N-T-N-A, Lantana. Geranium, Geranium. Veronica, V-E-R-O-N-I-C-A, Veronica. Salvia, S-L-V-I, Sweet Pea, S-W-E-E-T-P-E, Sweet Pea. Marigold, M-R-I-G-O-L-D, Marigold. Our last group features unique and rare flowers. Let's learn their names together. Bleeding Heart, B-L-E-E-D-I-N-G-H-E-R-T, Bleeding Heart. Lotus, L-O-T-U-S, Lotus. Amaryllis, M-R-Y-L-L-I-S, Amaryllis. Queen of the Night, Queen of the Night. Wisteria, W-I-S-T-E-R-I, Wisteria. Freesia, F-R-E-E-S-I, Freesia. Crocus, C-R-O-C-U-S, Crocus. Sweet Alyssum, S-W-E-E-T-L-Y-S-S-U-M, Sweet Alyssum. Lilac, L-I-L-C, Lilac. Passion Flower, P-A-S-S-I-O-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, Passion Flower. Great job, everyone! You learned the names of 100 beautiful flowers today. Keep practicing and see you next time.